Take a ride in the 2020 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.